Alright everybody, hello, my name is Marco Marin. This is OpenSea, the NFT marketplace, one of the biggest NFT marketplaces in the world right now at this point. Pretty much everything regarding NFTs goes through this website, or this marketplace if you like to say. There is other marketplaces, but those other marketplaces rely on other cryptos, while OpenSea usually relies on Ethereum, which is a cryptocurrency, Ethereum. This is OpenSea, so like for example, this is a collection, right? The Chameleon Collective community. This is just one NFT project that you could actually have or like own an NFT of. And in this collection, there's 10,000 items. So for example, there's 10,000 of these items and 2.8 thousand owners. So 2.8 thousand people actually have these NFTs in their collection. And at the moment right now, NFTs and just crypto in general is pretty trash. It's garbage. Like, you don't even want to touch it or anything right now. I have over 90 NFTs right now. I would show you some of my NFTs, but I can't because I just can't right now. But for example, like these are NFTs right here that I'm showing you. These right here. Like let's say you want to buy one, press on it. Right now, NFTs are pretty cheap right now, especially in this collection. I actually hold quite a few of these, but back when NFTs were actually doing fairly well, and each of these NFTs was probably like $400. But since the market has crashed and we're kind of in a bear market right now, this is pretty much what you're looking at right now. Collections come up and go. For example, like we can search up one of the most popular, Base C, Bored Ape Yacht Club. Hey man, these NFTs go for a crazy amount of money, like 72 ETH, $124,000. Like, come on now, like things are just crazy. Every collection is different. Every collection offers different types of things in the communities, Discord, all that stuff like that, merch, things you can just a whole bunch of things that you can do with your NFTs.